Ryder is a truck rental and leasing company that was founded over 80 years ago. Anyone from a small business that has a need for one or two trucks to large Fortune 500 companies that rent and lease.
The problem that Ryder was trying to solve with bringing on Appian was really getting an enterprise platform that allowed us to have better client communication, also improve productivity of our rental counters.
So the rental signature capture process before was very manual, very paper intensive.
We had a real problem where the regulation was getting much more aggressive in the US. And we needed a better system to be able to store those documents and then recall those documents and then push them to our drivers and our customers upon main stages of the reservation process. But our legacy system didn't have the ability to do that.
Now with Appian, basically it's all on a tablet.
Everything that we developed from an architecture perspective, we made sure that it's mobile first. So Appian fits into that guideline perfectly, because anything that I code can be rendered through any Android device, iPhone, and also on the desktop.
With the new system, we're able to make the process for the customer seamless.
We weren't constantly having the rental reps to go into the filing cabinet, find paper, pull it out, walk outside. They could pull up any vehicle at any location on the tablet. So really from a couple different areas, it really sped up the process of renting, returning, and dispatching a vehicle.
The impact on our employees of having signature capture through Appian has really been improved productivity, cutting down our time per transaction in half, which is pretty significant for our employees and ultimately transfers over to the customer experience as well. Appian brings a lot of really strong capabilities, but I think high for us was really the simplicity of the platform. It's consistent, it's usable, which is what we were looking for in a solution.
From Appian's low-code advantage, what we are able to showcase to the business user is, even within a couple of weeks, we are able to show them a prototype of what this product would look like. So it's much easier for us to get their feedback at a much earlier stage, make necessary changes that are needed before we get to the end.
I've been a part of a development environment for about 20 years, and to get something in front of a customer in a few days is pretty powerful.
Appian's really impacted the business because it's allowed us to be transformational in a lot quicker time than we typically would be. What has surprised me the most about Appian, obviously, is the speed at which we're able to develop an app in Appian and get that deployed, right? So improving the experience that we have for our employees, but also improving the customer experience as well. We started with one app, I think we're up to 40 plus apps in Appian, and I just see that continuing to grow.